Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the country on YouTube. This is really useful because if you change the country setting, this can affect the video recommendations, trends, and available content, which is very important if you move to another country. So first, we're going to open our YouTube account, and here we're going to click on our picture profile that is on the upper right part. Now let's click on YouTube Studio, and here it's going to take us to another window. Now here we're going to click on settings, that is on the left part, and we're going to click on channel. Now here we're going to find the country option where we can change to the country that we want. And this country is the one that appears on your channel. If you go to your channel, you can see that you click and view your details, and then you're going to click on about, and here is the country that you already have. So if you want to change that, here is where you can choose your country of residence. For example, here I have Spain, but I want to change it to France. So I click on France, and then we're going to click on save. I'm going back to my YouTube channel information. I'm going to refresh this, and as you can see, there is the new location, that is France. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!